Seated to his right is Health Minister David Rath, his chief rival. It's a tense environment. Rath was quoted in papers as calling Matzek immoral. Matzek wants to respond.
Ještě mi dovolte, než začnu moderovat, vyřídit si jednu zcela soukromou věc. Děkuji.
The crowd is stunned, as is Rath.
Pan minister rád byl předem varován, varoval jsem ho tiskem, je to moje ryzí soukromá záležitost. Zaslouží si to.
The minister decides to reply verbally rather than physically.
Pane doktore, tady to vyřizovat nebude. Vy jste mě napadl zbaběle ze zadu. Proč jste se mi nepostavil jako chlap čelem?
But diplomacy is about to disintegrate.
Vy jste zbabělec.
Matzek swings again. But this time, he's the one who takes a shot to the head. An official steps in and breaks up the fight. Civility is finally restored. After all, these sniping men should have been discussing health care rather than trying to put each other in the hospital.